What's going on, y'all? Sean, the Math Swap Tutoring here with another math challenge. You have 8bx plus 8c minus 16 equals 24. What is bx plus c? So this is a pretty easy one here. Let's rewrite it first. 8bx plus 8c minus 16 equals 24. We're going to go ahead and move the 16 to this side. 24 plus 16 is 40. Equals 8bx plus 8c. And you see each of these terms here has a 8 in common. So factor that out. 8 times bx plus c equals 40. Divide both sides by 8. And so then you have bx plus c equals 5. All right. Let me know if you got that, including how fast you got it. Make sure you like and subscribe, and have a good day. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.